Hello and welcome to the Marinlit help tutorials. In this series of tutorials we're going to show you the basics of using the Marinlit database. Marinlit was started about 40 years ago by John Blunt and Murray Munro at the University of Canterbury in New Zealand. At that time they were just starting out in marine natural products research and needed a database. That was the start of Marinlit. The original database was just a collection of card files, with the first computer version of Marinlit being developed about 35 years ago at the start of the desktop computer age. Since then, Marinlit has been adopted by research groups worldwide and is now available as this web-based version through the Royal Society of Chemistry. This tutorial will provide a description of the contents of Marinlit and where to find the appropriate data. For example, if we look at this introduction to the database, it gives a list of the types of information which are provided in Marinlit, and I'm going to spend some time looking at where this information is and how to find it. So I'm going to firstly go to a particular record or article. This is a typical example in which we have the Marinlit ID 21432. There's the title of the paper which is described in this record, the authors, the bibliographic information. It's got the DOI of that paper, so that if you want to look at an abstract of